How to handle 3D reality while manifesting. Hey, Scott Haug here, and in today's video we're going to be covering a challenge that most people face, and that's like, what do you do in the waiting time between now and your manifested result? Well, how do you handle this 3D reality when evidence and things around you are showing you that you're not gaining ground? It's not progressing, right? What does that look like? So let's go through a couple elements right away here. Number one is understanding, stay more in the present when your mind is in chaos. Your mind's going to say, when's it going to come? When's it going to come? When's it going to come? Right? And in this 3D reality, you might be thinking, I want to manifest extra $10,000, but you're not seeing it getting closer, right? You're not seeing the evidence of it moving forward. Okay, so what you want to do is become more present when these thoughts, your mind is going in ego chaos and trying to say, when's it going to come? When's it going to come? When's it going to come? And it just keeps going. You want to get just to your present. Focus on your breath, focus on you, focus on centering yourself, and that will help you alleviate a lot of those thoughts from being all chaotic. Second is increase your belief and faith by visualizing more, okay, but from an expectation standpoint. So when you're visualizing, you want to match your inner speech. You want to start telling yourself things like, I am confident this is moving into fruition. I now know this is happening. Things are getting better and better for me. As I'm visualizing this, I know it's activated into physical reality. So you actually kind of guide yourself while you're visualizing. You'll increase your belief and faith as you're moving forward, okay? Number three here is have more self-recognition of who you are, okay? You're a spiritual being living in this physical body with a mind, okay? So throughout your day, you want to say that maybe 10, 20, 100 times, just over and over and over. I'm a spiritual being living in this physical body with a mind. And you keep saying it. It's going to induce more faith because you're going to center more and more with who you really are within, and that's going to help tremendously, okay? The next element here is remembering the bridge of events is going to unfold. So you're going to see coincidences, you're going to see positive things happening to you, and that's good, okay? Keep aligning more and more with that. Keep accepting that things are moving into fruition one thing at a time, and allowing yourself to get more emotionally involved with these ideas, which will really transform everything you're feeling as you move forward, okay? So handling 3D reality is really the understanding that this isn't a magic pill. Manifesting is not throwing fairy dust in the air and having something appear on your office desk, you know, $20,000 in cash sitting on your office desk. It doesn't happen like that. But what does happen is a series of things is about to unfold for you that's called divine timing. So keeping the thought in mind that everything is divine, it's unfolding perfectly, things are happening for good reason, for good measure. As I'm feeling these ideas, I'm visualizing, I'm doing my affirmations, I'm doing my gratitude, all things are unfolding, they are progressing, okay? So what you do, you steadily focus your mind on the word progress, 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 right? Instead of thinking, it's not happening, right? Keep your mind focused on the one word of progress, all right? So handling 3D reality before anything's manifested is really all about letting and allowing. It's all about faith control, belief control, and thought control in this reality. I hope this short video helped you tremendously. Take these ideas, listen to it every single day, over and over and over and over and over, because that's the only way it's going to get ingrained, and you're going to become these ideas. You're going to become the manifesting power. You're going to become the mental side of who you really are. Okay, so that's the way. Increase belief, increase faith by increasing your ideas of awareness and expanding your consciousness. Okay, I'll see you over in the next video.